Hello guys, and welcome to episode number 33, where we will be solving 5 more SQL problems, this time from the city of Los Angeles. So let's get started with problem number 1 right here. We have to check if record ID is unique for every row. The way we're going to be doing this is by outputting the total record IDs and the total unique IDs. We're simply going to compare. We're going to have 2 columns. One with all of the records and one with all of the unique ones. Very simple. We simply have 2 counts. The first one is going to be the total. So we're going to say total record IDs. Record ID. We're going to call this total records. And the second one is going to be total count distinct record ID as distinct. Actually, we're going to call it unique records. And that should be the final result. I have no idea why this is not working. This doesn't make any sense. You see? Official solution, literally this. Our solution, literally this. They're just named C1, C2. I doubt that's the problem here. That would be absurd. No, I think there's some error with this. It doesn't make sense because it says even their solution is wrong, but clearly it's correct. If I look here, expected result, there must be some issue with the website today. But this is the correct solution right here. So quick recap, what we are doing is we are counting all the record IDs and then we are counting all the distinct ones. And that's it. Simple. Problem number 2, let's see. Find the activity date and PE description. This is what we have to output for this filter here. Facility name, street churros, and then we have score less than 95 here. We have 2 filters and 2 columns we have to output. So let's get started. The first one, activity date, PE description. So in the list here, we have activity date, and then somewhere we have PE description. There it is right here. These 2 are our outputs. And then as filters, we have facility name and score right here. These are the 4 we're going to be working with. So we're going to say activity date, I think. Yeah, date, activity date, and then PE description down here. Copy these 2, and then we're going to have the 2 filters where facility name equals, we're going to copy this, street churros, and we're going to say score less than 95. And if we get an error again, there's a problem with the website. Yep. We're going to have to manually check these. So here, the expected output, 290116. 290116. It's kind of funny. Our solution has 1 correct row. Their solution has none. This doesn't make any sense. That's clearly a issue with their website, but this is the correct solution. As we can see, they are matching 1 to 1. So quick recap. We are showing the activity date and PE description. There we have these 2 filters true. The score is less than 95 and the facility name is Street Churros. Problem number 3, let's see. Find all facilities, all of them. Now that doesn't really explain if we have to do asterisk or whatever. It's kind of vague. Then we have the zip codes here. So this is just 1 filter and I don't know exactly what we have to output here. We're actually going to say all facilities. Oh, since 1 row here is an inspection, we have to show facilities. So let's try to just show facility names. We're going to say where zip code. Zip code we have right here. Facility zip. That would be the zip code. We're going to make a list. Now let's see how these look like. They are varchars. This is a varchar. So we have to put these, I forgot how do you call them. The red, right? So we're going to say this one, apostrophes or whatever. We're going to paste this one. And the last one is going to be with 45. And there we go. Now this should be the final solution, but we'll try to somewhat manually check. Nah, that's not going to happen. Maybe we need distinct. Actually, we probably need distinct because it says facilities. So probably different facilities. I'm not sure really. We can check their solution, and yes, it seems indeed they have distinct. Alright, so quick recap here. We are trying to find all the unique facilities where the zip code is one of these 3. Could be either this one or this one or this one. Problem number 4, we have to count the number of unique facilities per municipality zip code. There's a group by for the zip code for the count of unique facilities, along with the number of inspections. We also have to show the number of inspections. We have 2 columns so far. Result here would be the count along number of inspections. So the 2 column, each municipality, zip code. We might have 3 columns. Output, result, number. It might be municipality as well. The zip code. And then lastly, we have to sort number of inspections descending. So it might be 2 or 3 columns. It's not super clear. But generally, when you group by anything, you want to show it up because otherwise it doesn't really make sense. So we're just going to make 3 columns. We're going to say per zip code here, per zip code. And then we're going to say group by zip code. Now we want to show the count of unique facilities, distinct facilities. We're going to take facility ID. We're going to say here unique facilities. Then number of inspections. Well, the title is called inspection. So 1 row is 1 inspection. Therefore, we have to use a count for all of the rows. We're going to name this one total inspections. Now, this should be the final result, but since it's not working for now, it's very difficult to see. Oh, actually, we forgot the order by. Number of inspections, descending order. Total inspections, descending. So let's try now. Let's just run the code here. And then we can kind of compare it with this. So we have 45, 28, 27. 45, 28, 27. It seems to be correct. 1985, 1985, 21, 15. Yeah, I think this is correct. Quick recap for every facility right here. Every facility, we want to show the count of distinct facility IDs and the total count of inspections. 1 row in here is an inspection. Lastly, we want to order the records by the total inspection from the highest to the lowest. And problem number 5, last one for today. Find the number of acquisitions occurred each quarter of the year. We have to group by each quarter of the year. Output the acquired. Now the output has to be the quarter in this format, the number of acquisitions. So we have 2 columns to output, and then we have to order by quarters with highest. Okay, so basically we have to order by this one, the number of acquisitions right here, from descending, in descending order. So let's get started with this one. Quickly just reset this. There we go. Find number of acquisition occurred each quarter. Each quarter, we have here a column called acquisition quarter, and it's a date time. So we're going to use this one. We're going to use this. So we're going to say the group by each quarter, but we need each quarter of each year. So we actually have to say this one, but the year. The year first and then the quarter. And here we only show the quarter because it contains the year anyway. And we have to output into this format. Well, this is already in this format. I don't think it, yeah, the data, I can't even preview it today. This kind of sucks. Order the result, order by number of acquisitions. Now, since this is called acquisitions, we have to count the entire, all of the rows, call num acquisitions. Let's just call it number of buys. And like this, we're going for this. Oh, my bad. I forgot the buy here. I don't know how it disappeared. The buy in the group buy wasn't there. Right, so this would be the final result. Now let's check out the expected. We have here 337, 309. Everything seems to be fine. So this is the final answer here. I'm pretty sure it's not going to work if I check. Yep. What are we doing here? For every quarter, but of every year as well, we want to show the quarter in this format right here. But the acquired quarter is already in this format. As you can see here, it is already in this format. We don't have to do any formatting. And then lastly, we just want to order by the number of bytes here by descending from the highest to the smallest, as we can see right here. So that was it for today, guys. A short episode, and sadly the website is having some issues right now, but we managed to pull through anyway. Thank you for watching, and if you like these kinds of problems, I still recommend the platform. This is the first time this has happened. Very unusual. I don't know what's going on, but this doesn't really happen. Consider using the affiliate link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.